test your knowledge. The first one is the English word language is derived from a French word. Is it true or false? Of course, it's false because it does not derive from a French word, rather it derives from a Latin word. We go to the another question. The Latin word lingua refers to tongue. Is it true or false? Guess yourself. I think it's true. Go to another question. Language is a system of codes. Is it true? And of course, it's true because without encoding different codes, we cannot form or construct any word. That is to say, we cannot decode information. We have another question. Language does not encode and decode information. Of course, it's false. Language, with the help of different codes, must encode and decode information. I hope is language gift of God. Test your knowledge. According to divine tradition, language is a gift of God. Is true or false? Think about yourself. And it's true. Adam did not give names to things as religious beliefs suggest. I think it's false. Adam did give names to things. We have the third question. Language is the gift of God to humans. Yes, it's true. God has created innumerable things for us. And the last question is, like so many other things God has created, language is one of them. I think it's true. Is language an evolutionary process? Test your knowledge. The first question is, according to evolutionary process, language is as old as humans. I think it's false. Question number 2, humans acquired a more sophisticated brain in due course of the evolutionary process. Is it true or false? Of course, it's true. And the last question is, humans evolved a language acquisition device, LAD, as they became more sophisticated. Is true or false? And of course, it's true. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.